Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool emitter right here. And basically what these are is some outdoor string lights that has like the light bulb design on here, which is definitely pretty cool. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And this is basically what they call the product right here. So the cool thing about it right here, they do mention how it does have an RGB light option on here. And it is dimmable. And the actual light bulbs right here are shatterproof. So you don't have to worry about breaking the light bulbs on here. But when you guys open it up, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside right here. So it is well protected. But when you guys take this part out, you guys can definitely see the product inside right here. But let's take it out. So first thing we see inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And on the back right here, they do have the app for you guys to download. And then right here, when we take it out, you can definitely see all the light bulbs on here. And you basically want to plug this into a wall outlet to actually power on the device. And you can see right here, we do have the remote and they do have the mic on here as well. So that way, if you guys want to use the music mode on here, you definitely can. But if you see, when you take it out, there's definitely a lot of light bulbs on here. If you guys are curious about how long the actual product is right here, it is 48 feet. So you can definitely get a pretty good coverage on here. And also the cool thing about this product here is the fact that they are waterproof, shatterproof, sunproof, and snowproof. And you definitely have the option to actually connect it onto the app. Or if you guys want to connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant, you can definitely do that as well. So I actually plug this in first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once we plug it in, you can definitely see that it is super bright on here. But I actually connect it onto the app first. So the app that you guys want to download is called Govee Home. And once you guys finish downloading the app, you basically want to add the device. So once you guys go on the app device page, you guys want to click on the Bluetooth button. And once you guys do that, if you can see right here, they found the device. So you definitely want to connect it first. So you guys want to connect it onto a 2.4G network. Once you guys finish connecting on the app, this is basically what the app looks like here. So you definitely have like the time option, the music mode, the different color mode, the scene. You can customize the light on here and so much more. So I'm actually changing the different scenes on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So definitely when you guys look at the light right here on the video, it's not as cool, it's not as clear compared to what you guys see in person. What you guys see in person is definitely much more clearer and actually looks a lot cooler as well. But you can definitely change the different colors on here. And also give you guys the option to actually change each different color option on here if you guys want to. So I'm actually show you guys what I mean. So let's say I want to change this one to blue, and then change this one to yellow, and I want to change this one to red, and I want to change this one to orange, and then this one to green. If you can see right here, you can definitely see some of them are different color. So they do give you guys the option right here to actually customize each different light bulb if you guys want to, which is definitely pretty cool. But let me turn on the music mode on here. Alright, so we got on the music mode right here. Let me just test it out and see how it works. So I want to play a song on here. Alright, so definitely see the music mode on here definitely works really well. And obviously you do have the option to increase or lower the brightness on here as well. So we lower it. This actually looks right here. If you guys increase it, that is the brightest right there. If you guys want to turn it off, you can definitely do that as well. And if you guys want to use Alexa on here, you definitely can. Turn off light bulb.
Okay.
Turn on light bulb.
Okay.
Change the color of light bulb to blue.
Okay.
So definitely see that actually does work if you guys want to use Alexa on here, which is definitely pretty cool. And also if you guys look really carefully on each one of these light bulbs right here, they do have the brand logo right here. But you see for this light right here, they do give you guys a little clip option. So that way if you guys want to clip it on somewhere, you definitely have that option on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Not a good unboxing and testing product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality outdoor string lights that's very similar to this one right here and has all the different features that's on here that a lot of other brands does not have. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.